Hey guys, it's me again. Finally back. Shut the fuck up! God. Alright. So yeah, start up. Good way to start the video, right? So I know it's been a while. We're gonna start off the video by washing the G. Okay. And then we'll go on from there. And just like that, it's clean. Wow, bam! See? That wasn't so hard. Rims, I really gotta get some new brakes, dude. That's embarrassing. Look at this shit. God damn. Time for rotors. Alright, serious talk now. So, I've had Cuba running for, I wanna say, maybe 2-3 weeks now. The only reason why I haven't posted is because I felt like I was very not organized. And I'll throw in clips of like the past. You'll see when I picked it up, when I noticed that it wasn't doing good. When I put on the rims too, put that in there. And that's basically it. And then I'll be caught up with everything else. That's it. And the thing begins right now.
Okay, so we just picked up the G. We got the timing chain tensioner replaced. Yeah.
Next clip, because I'm fat. Alright, here's a few days after the incident with the G. I originally went to the shop to go get the timing chain tensioner done. But I'm guessing in the mix of things, the mechanic skipped a tooth or went back a tooth. I don't know. So yeah, I'll be updating more in through the week when my actual mechanic starts working on it. Coming out here to change my tires. Right there. I'm doing it right now. Alright. First startup after 3 days of not using it or something like that. Alright, what's up guys? Today after a while, I was sick and also the car was in the mechanic shop for about like a week and a half. Bro, that thing took so long. And then while it was there, I got some new additions to it, which I'm gonna reveal today.
Bro, Alex, you got a flat.
Dude, come on. I got some holes over here. Alright, so the reason why I'm using the torque wrench instead of just the impact drill is because I gotta torque them right to a specific torque spec that requires this. And that's a little indicator, tells me when to stop. That's it. The torque is quick. He's just a little dirty though.